Here in this scenario of pandemic COVID-19, the economy is under the suffering. Global decline, but India marks the self-reliant India, vocal for the local. So hereby we have the opportunity, and this time we mark the opportunity for the phases to be discussed the mechanism best utilization of resources. So where we are discussing the chapter central problem of economy, which means to say that crisis management is possible. With the possible combination, utilization at optimal level and utilizing the limited supply of resources with best potential delivery out of them to fulfill the requirement of the above. Central problem of economy means to say that resources are limited, marks the presence of unlimited wants, and then their alternative uses leads to the development of one crisis, and that is fundamental question that what we should produce in what quantity, then how it should be produced, and later which mechanism and standing will be from the end of the consumer. So we focus firstly resource, then technique of production, and then the consumption. So let's revolve out of it. The ultimate answer to it, where the supply of resources in terms of natural, physical, human marks the limited supply, and we have ample of opportunities to have the production. So every resource has limited to deliver, but still the opportunity have to be available. The problem of choice and scarcity is addressed in this phase. रिसोर्स उसकी ज़रूरतें ज़्यादा है, उसकी उपलब्धता कम है, तो हमें ये देखना होगा हम क्या बनाएंगे. अब जब बनाएंगे तो किसके लिए बनाएंगे और फिर कैसे बनाएंगे, इन तीन क्वेश्चंस को आपस में मर्ज कर कर एक आंसर ढूंढना है. दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व. हमारे पास क्या क्या बनाने की अपॉर्चुनिटी है विद लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज. हाउ टू प्रोड्यूस, one question, and that is second fundamental question which is answered and addressed today in class. Choice of technique of production, यानी choice of technique, हम किस टेक्निक को यूज करेंगे, कौन से तरीके से प्रोडक्शन को प्रोड्यूस करेंगे with the available means so that we can generate the fulfillment of the requirement of goods and services. So basically it is of two technique. Number one, labor intensive, we will use the human resource. Then capital intensive, we will use the machinery and equipments and asset. If we need employment opportunity and population is the key element, then labor intensive technique is followed, otherwise capital intensive if you need efficiency.
Dear scholars, here we have a symbol for economics. And we were going to discuss central problem of economy. So we are going to discuss central problems of economy. And which one? Second one. And that is how to produce, where we have to deal with the technique. Technique means method of production. How to produce is the second problem of the economy. Here we have two resources, two types of resources. One is human resource, हम पहले human resource, and second one we have capital resource. Two kind of resources we have. So we will check which one we will use and going to produce. हमारे पास how to produce, अब हमें मालूम है हमें क्या बनाना है and now कैसे बनाना है. So method of production will be dealt here. Human, so then you will have labor. Human resource, then you have labor. And labor mark you with the population. इफ योर कंट्री हैव अ ह्यूज पॉपुलेशन, आपके देश में बहुत सारे लोग रहते हैं, देन लेबर इंटेंसिव टेक्निक विल बी फॉलोड. पॉपुलेशन नहीं है, फाइनेंशियली आप बहुत स्ट्रांग है, फाइनेंशियल पावर है, फाइनेंशियली स्ट्रांग है, so then you will use your capital intensive. And capital intensive will mark you plant and machinery. Plant है, machinery है, etc. Then why countries follow human resource? Because they need employment. They need employment. And why people of any country follows the capital approach? They need efficiency. Efficient working. अगर आपकी कंट्री में लेबर ज़्यादा है तो देन आपको एम्प्लॉयमेंट चाहिए होगी, तो आप ह्यूमन रिसोर्स का बेस्ट यूज़ करेंगे. अगर आपकी कंट्री में कैपिटल ज़्यादा है, फाइनेंशियल अच्छे हैं, आप साउंड हैं, डेवलप्ड हैं, तो देन आपको एफिशिएंट वर्किंग चाहिए होगी, देन यू विल यूज़ योर कैपिटल. सो 2 तरह से अप्रोचेस होती है. मेथड ऑफ प्रोडक्शन डिवाइड इनटू 2 फ्रेगमेंट. The first segment is your labor intensive work and second is capital intensive work. If you are following the labor one, then you have population and employment opportunities are your focus. अगर capital है, then you are financially sound and you will going to have plant and machinery and that will be efficient working. Okay. These both are method of using resources. ये 2 तरीके हैं method of using resources. So I hope that this is clear to you, and for sure have your presentation from PowerPoint that will deliver your notes, and its brief is here in physical class. So with the promise to see you again soon, we are concluding. Take care.
In whole conclusion, we need just one thing to focus, कि ऐसा क्या best potential deliver करा जाए, then we can mark the development around us. So then if we have the population, that is human resource, then we have need of your employment opportunities. So labor intensive technique should be followed. Then to deliver the best potential in capitalist economy, where we have the huge number of plants, assets, equipment, and that is a sign of developed economy. So we can mark the identity of jobless growth. That means we will produce GDP, but we do not need employment opportunities. So then we can pursue capital intensive. We can meet out the requirement of the hour as per our prevailing conditions. So with this note, we are concluding it for today.